Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to stop back at my channel. Okay, so today I have a special wreath that I will be doing. I haven't done a project in like forever. You guys know my computer is broken, so it's really hard to get videos up, but I found the inspiration at the Dollar Tree of all places. A while back, a lot of people got these unicorn headbands from the Dollar Tree. Well, I guess because of it being, so close to Halloween, they brought out their Halloween stuff. Let me move this over. My hot glue gun is on. So I got myself one of these styrofoam rings from the Dollar Tree. I got these cool barrettes. I thought they were really cool, so hopefully I can use these on my project. Also, I got this from the Dollar Tree. This is what I got from the Dollar Tree like a long time ago, probably back in June, because I had it for my birthday. And then they had these really cool feather boas. They have this one, which is a hot pink. They have a purple, and then they had this awesome green. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap them around this, and I will show you how it looks. I cannot wait to do it. I think you guys saw I had a feather boa wreaths before. I made them before. So here I got two of the hot pink. I got one of the purple and one of the green. All I do is I take these tags that they have on there and I do cut them off. Let's see. I will probably cut it right about here. And don't forget, please be careful when you're using your hot glue gun. This does get mighty hot, especially since you have to have it on so long. The longer you have it on, the hotter it seems to get. Okay, so alright, so I've been busy all day making all kinds of things, so I figured I would start with this. So here is my wreath, and I always start right here at this point here. I have some extra glue guns right here, or glue sticks right here, so, and this is my non-stick mat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just add some glue here. I hope everybody could see this. I'm out of practice, guys, out of practice. So I just take it and I wrap it around. All right, to here. I cover this whole thing. And this is not the glue for styrofoam. I know that they have a special hot glue for that, but this is just regular hot glue. So be extremely careful, guys, because it does get really hot. So you're just going to take it and you're just going to wrap it around, okay? And you're going to wrap it as tight as you can because you don't want the green to be shown on the bottom. So, and that's why I got as many as I did, because I want this to look really, really fluffy and full. Okay, guys, so I am just going to speed this up a little bit. You guys. Take it and put it like that, or if I'm actually going to try to remove this stuff, I don't know if I can. I don't think I can, so I'm going to try to see. Oh, yep, I was able to snap it. So I snapped it off. I'm going to take this tag, I'm going to cut this tag off. All right, I'm going to just attach that just like that to the top. All right, so this is going to require a ton of hot glue. So I'm going to get another stick, make sure it gets in there, and I'm just gluing the top of this. If I could get my glue stick to go, just gluing the top of this, easy peasy. All right, because we don't want this to come off. Okay, so right where this white thing is, I am just going to take this and stick it down. I'm going to hold it. Hopefully it's straight. You guys can see. Okay, so now what do we want to do? We could actually use these little bows if we wanted to. I might just keep it the way it is. I might just like keep it just that way, and not add any of these bows. I mean, you could to make them cuter, but I really don't think you need to. I mean, you know. I don't know. Could add one there, and then take another one and add it here. Like that. And how fast was that? The quickest and easiest wreath there is to make. So now I'm just going to get something for the back, and I will hang it up, and then I will show you pictures of it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you do like tutorials like this, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and also follow me over on Instagram, because you'll be seeing a lot more of my DIYs, because I'm having problems filming right now. So please bear with me. I will be back to my regular schedule as soon as my computer gets fixed. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this easy peasy unicorn wreath. All right, like I always say, guys, somehow, some way, I'll have an amazing day. You make your day amazing, and together, friends, we'll have an amazing day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.